Ano drawing ko?
Yan na.
Alin? That? The pink one. Okay.
Yung isang pink. I-picture mo, tapos ida-drawing mo lang.
Wait, Pisyong, don't move.
Picture.
An artist si Papa.
Dapat maganda dapat.
Yes, of course. There's the head, right?
Makaliit.
And the ribbon. And the
Hair.
hair. Like this.
It has curves.
And a bow, it's a ribbon tie ba yan?
Baba, parang kang hindi eh.
And this one is a dress, right? This is
No.
the hair. The headset.
Being good. And there's headphones in her head.
The
It's too big.
the big
Oh.
eyes,
You're right, Dad.
right?
Wait a minute. That is not the same like that.
It's the same.
Wait a
Wait a minute. Don't you know that may basta.
My drawing.
See that?
No, it's just a smile that is not like that. What the?
Look. Oh,
It's not the
right
same.
one.
That's
Nice,
not
nice,
our
nice.
other